Data center and residential proxies. What's the difference and which to choose? Data center proxies, or DC proxies, are IP addresses that come from servers in data centers. Such IPs are not associated with internet service providers that offer services to consumers. Data center proxies are fast and very stable. They are also relatively cheap, especially shared data center IPs. But they're also easy to block, so you won't have a good experience with sites like Google or Instagram. Residential proxies, or resi proxies, are IP addresses assigned to homeowners by internet service providers. In other words, they belong to someone's computer, phone, smart TV, or even internet-connected fridge. The same goes for mobile phones, though IPs from mobile devices are often sold separately as a premium option. A residential proxy pool includes thousands or even millions of IPs spread throughout many locations. They are hard to detect as proxies and allow making hundreds of connection requests at once. So, residential proxy servers have become a popular choice for web scraping protected websites, automating social media, and buying limited edition items like sneakers. Have you already used proxies? If so, let me know in the comments. Which type did you choose? Still not sure which type is better? Let's see. Data center proxies will always be faster than residential IPs. That's because the servers use powerful hardware and a speedy internet connection. Data center proxies are more stable because they don't have to rely on unpredictable end users. And data center proxies are easier to get than residential IPs, so they cost less. The choice between the two would be clear, but data center proxies cover fewer locations. It's expensive to maintain servers in many countries. Data center IPs actually perform worse than residential networks. That's because they don't look like real users, and strict websites quickly block them. Even worse, data center proxies come in groups of IP addresses called subnets. Sometimes a website can block the whole subnet at once. Data center proxies often come in proxy lists. This means they can be harder to manage than residential proxies, which have automatic rotation and other perks. So, which type should you choose? If you're targeting relatively unprotected websites and you know what you're doing, data center proxies can be a more efficient option. If your website is well protected, such as Instagram or Google, if you're not as experienced, or if you need broad location coverage, choose residential proxies instead. If you've already decided to get residential proxies, don't miss our next video. In it, we're going to review a proxy provider which is known for its residential IPs, Smart Proxy. Meanwhile, watch our last video to learn how to choose the best proxies for specific tasks.